Yo, what up? How's it going, friend? Okay, so you want to remove the search icon or the search bar from your Shopify Taste theme. Today's video, I'm going to go ahead and teach you exactly how you can remove it, and it's going to look just like this by the time we're done with this video, by the time you're also done. So now let's get straight to the video tutorial. Now, the first thing you want to do is to come here to your backend, your dashboard, or your admin, or whichever one you want to call it, and you come to your online store, you come to themes, and you want to come here. You can see the Taste theme here. I'm sure you've already had it. You can go to your themes library and you can add it. I'm sure you already have it as your default theme. So you want to come here, Taste, and you want to hit on Customize. And the moment you hit on Customize, you're going to land on this interface. Now, I'm going to be teaching you 3 tricks, okay, for you to be able to remove the search icon so that you've got a lot of options at your disposal, okay, or at your use. Now, let's go ahead and let me teach you the first method, which is the base method. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click here, okay, the 3-dotted line. I'm going to click on Edit Code, all right? Now, don't forget, it's just copy-paste something. You're not editing anything like that. So it's just copy-paste, and you're pasting it at a very easy area, all right? So now let's go ahead and click on Edit Code. And while the code is loading, we're going to come back here to this doc file, which I'm going to be giving to you also, okay? And we're going to come here, scroll down to this aspect that says to hide it using base, and we'll go ahead and copy this, all right? You're going to click on copy, okay? And this one is still loading, the editor. So now that it is loaded, you can see your Taste theme, okay? You want to go ahead and come to this Explorer. You want to click on Taste, and you want to come to Assets, and you want to click on this base.css, okay? And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and go down, okay? Go down, baby, okay? And test it. Go down, go down, go down, down like this, okay? And you're going to go ahead and paste the code, all right? So you can see you're going to go ahead and paste it, and you want to save. Okay, the moment you paste it at the last part, you hit on save and you come back here. And as you can see, the search icon is gone. All right, it's gone. That's it. Okay, it's gone. All right. So this is exactly how you can do this using the base.css method. Okay, but maybe you don't, because some people are just like, oh, you know, Maverick, I don't want to go ahead and, you know, start using the base CSS because I'm scared I might actually click on the code and it might affect my store. I understand. Okay, so if you don't want to use that, you can actually do everything from this interface. So the next 2 methods we're going to be talking about is going to be from just this interface, and you're not going to tamper with any code. Now let's go ahead and let me teach you that. But before I go ahead to teach you, please try as much as possible to subscribe to this channel. I've got goals to get this to at least 10,000 subscribers. So please join the journey and just click on subscribe. And please, it's going to go a long way for me. Thank you very much as you do that. God bless you. Now let's go ahead and go back right here, and gonna remove that code. And I'm going to click on save again. And I'll come back here, and the code now should be back, as you can see. Now, the next thing I want to do is to click on header, okay? And when I click on header, I'm going to scroll down. Now, normally, if it's some things like Horizon or some other ones, you're going to see the search button interface here, which you just toggle, and it's going to be off. But we don't have it in this Taste theme. So you're going to come down here to the last part that says Custom CSS, and you want to click on this part, okay? And you're going to come back here to this doc file, and you want to use this code that says to remove using CSS, or CS rather, and it's also CSS. So you want to come back here and you want to paste that code. All right. So the moment you paste it, it's as simple as that. And you can see the search icon or the search bar is gone again. Okay. So it's gone. Someone type it's gone in the comment section. Okay. It's gone. All right. Type it's gone in the comment section. So this is exactly how you can remove it. Okay. So it's as simple as that. All right. But maybe you still don't want to use this method. You know, maybe you have a code in this custom CSS and you're still scared again. Maybe you've got something there before and you don't want to add the code. Though it's just for you to drop down and add it, but maybe you don't want to add anything there, you're scared again, or for one reason or the other, it's not responding, then let's go ahead and use the custom liquid. So what you want to do is to come here to header, add section, and first click on add block. Okay, and add section. So, but however, if you're cool with custom CSS, just add the code, click on save, and you're good to go. All right. But now let's click on custom liquid, and right there, custom liquid, we're using custom liquid, click on custom liquid again, and come back. And come back here, scroll down to the last part that says to remove using C help, and copy that. Copy and paste. And as you can see, the code is gone. All right. So this is exactly how you can remove this also using the custom liquid method. All right. So these are the 3 tricks that I have for you. And I believe this video tutorial has been helpful. If it is, please make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you guys can be notified whenever I drop, you know, new tutorials like this on this channel. Please subscribe. And also, even if you don't want to subscribe, at least like the video so that YouTube can recommend it to several other people out there who are looking for video tutorials just like this. Thank you very much. I'll see you in another video. Peace and have a nice day ahead. And please take care of your health. It's very important. Take care of your health and health as well. So whenever you're hustling, try as much as possible to check up your health and look very good. All right. Thank you. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.